Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to check your document with the Grammarly account. So I'll be using the Grammarly Premium or the Grammarly Business account for checking a manuscript. So what I will do is, first of all, I'll just go to Google and I will just click on Grammarly. So once I click on Grammarly, it will take me to the website. So I'll click on the website. For Grammarly Premium and Grammarly Business account, you need to have purchased an account. Since I already have an account, so it actually logged me into it. So, and here are the account settings. So I'll just briefly go through the account settings in Grammarly. The most important thing is your the language settings. So the language that you have for the manuscript can either be in American English or British English or Australian English. So mostly the medical manuscripts that we write are in American English. So the American English has been selected here. And so I have a document for which I will be checking the so if I just look at this document, I already have the Grammarly Word plugin already installed. So I'll just click on it. As soon as I click on it, it actually shows me that I have around 204 issues with this document that are related to grammar. And this 204 breakdown is 147 are actually related to correctness. 43 are actually related to clarity, 9 are related to engagement, and 5 are related to delivery. Now, all you need to understand is the two basic colors here, the red color and the blue color. So 147 are those in which there are major blunders in grammar. So I'll just show you an example so that you can understand here. Now these red lines, so we have red lines are red areas, and then we have the blue lines. So red lines, you need to correct red lines. Why? Because these are major grammatical mistakes that come usually under the correctness, and the blue lines are actually for clarity purposes, and these are recommendations by Grammarly to improve your document. And they are not necessarily grammatical mistakes. So, but for the red lines, you need to correct them. For instance, if you just click on this most, so what is it saying? It is saying here that there is inconsistent spacing. So if in 6 places there is just 1 space, and there are 2 spaces around 133 matches. So you need to correct that. The spacing after the full stop needs to be consistent throughout the manuscript. So, and this is a major mistake. So the red lines need to be corrected, while the blue lines are just recommendations. So if I just click on the correctness options, it will only show me the things that I need to check. So what you could do is either correct all the options that are red, and then you can go on to the clarity options and that are recommended by Grammarly. So this was just a brief overview of how to use Grammarly for correcting it. Now, how to use it, how to use these options. So it is saying that do you want 1 space or 2 spaces? So for me, I just want 1 space. So what it will do is I will just click on update all, and there will be 1 spacing throughout the text after the full stop. So that is how it is actually done, and you have to go it one by one. So and it will tell you there's an arrow button here. So you just click on arrow button and it will show you one by one the mistakes, and you can either click on this bin button if you don't want to accept that their suggestion, and you can click on the actual green option so as to correct their recommendation. So that is all for now. Hope this has been useful. Thank you.